8-foot hooks at. There it is again. Gotcha.
Nice.
Here he comes.
Nice.
Oh, it's a pike. Oh, that's interesting. I thought it was a bass.
Wow, look at the thing go right up to the top, eh?
There he goes.
There he goes.
Got one. Possible too.
Possible.
First cast over the weed bed with the crankbait. And there you have one largemouth bass.
Take it easy. Jesus.
Boom. Just a giant. Thanks for the fight, bud. Get out there, get bigger. Nice.
Look at the way it's caught.
It's the right species.
Yeah.
Hang on. It's the right species. He was just a little aggressive for his size.
Yep.
Oh, he almost got me that time,
Jesus,
bugger.
bud. Can't even get his foot in its. Oh, there we go. That's good. There you go.
It's a tiny bass. Look how cute he is. Future trophy. Be well, little guy.
Got him.
Looks like a good one. Nice bass.
Not bad. Hang on, I can't grab him.
Just get in there anyway.
Got him.
No, you were fine. We're just trying to get out of the picture.
This is a nice one. Caught that one that came up to the top of the water. Got one. Oh, no, that was weeds. That was weeds. Oh, no. I got it.
It just came out of the water.
Yep.
It's got to be a bass. If it's not, then the pike are definitely getting very weird around here. Yeah, it's a bass, I think. I could be wrong though. It's getting dragged in pretty easy. Small bass?
Yep.
Boat flip. It's a judge a giant.
Jesus, Murphy. Got him.
Just blunk him.